Ndewo. Hello, welcome to Igbo School TV. Today I want to teach you 9 important expressions that will help you to make peace with somebody in Igbo language. With these expressions, anytime you find yourself in a difficult situation with an Igbo person, all you need is to apply the one that is suitable for that situation, and you will see how things will turn around. Okay? All right, so the first one is Biko. Biko is please. Biko, please. The second one is Ndo. Ndo. Sorry. Ndo. Ndo. Ne. Sorry. Sorry. Ndo. Okay, the third one is Dalu. Dalu. Thank you. Thank you. Dalu. Dalu rinne. Thank you so much. Dalu rinne. Thank you so much. Okay. The next one is Jiseike. Jiseike is when someone is doing something worth encouraging. So you use the expression to encourage the person and motivate the person to do more. Jiseike. Hey, nna jiseike. Hey, so well done. Okay. Okay, so the next one is Bagaram. Bagaram, when you offend somebody, whether intentionally or not intentionally. Say, Biko Bagaram, please forgive me. Biko Bagaram. So when you add Biko to Bagaram, becomes Biko Bagaram, please forgive me. Bagaram, forgive me. Bagaram, forgive me. All right, the next one is Eweliwe. Eweliwe. Don't be offended. Don't be angry. Eweliwe. Don't be offended. Biko Eweliwe. So you already know Biko. When you add it to Eweliwe, becomes Biko Eweliwe. Please don't be offended. All right? All right. The next one is Wetuobi. Calm down. Wetuobi. Calm down. Na Biko Wetuobi. Please calm down. Nne Biko Wetuobi. And the person is fuming, is nothing like to blowing the hot. Say Biko Wetuobi. Please calm down. Please calm down. Biko Wetuobi. All right. The next one is Amayemoma. Amayemoma. It wasn't. Excuse me. It wasn't intentional. Amayemoma. So Biko Amayemoma, please, I didn't do it intentionally. Or Wetuobi Amayemoma, please calm down. It wasn't intentional. Okay. The next one is Mweremundidi. This Biko is very, very powerful. So when you can add Biko to almost all of them. Biko Mweremundidi. Please bear with me. Biko Mweremundidi. Please bear with me. Biko Mweremundidi. Please bear with me. The last one is Ozugo. Ozugo simply means it's enough. It's okay. So when someone is still dragging, na Ozugo, Ozugo, Biko Ozugo, please, it's enough. Ozugo. All right. And then that is what I have for you today on Igbo School TV. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and give us a like, and more interesting lessons will come your way very soon. So, until I come your way again next time, what do we say? Nodu nkoma, stay well. Nodu nkoma, stay well. Kemesia. Biko, share our video. Dalo.